Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have decided to tackle my daughter's room. I only have about 45 minutes to spend on the room. I'm going to dinner with some friends later, so I just want to get in and get out and at least make this room look halfway presentable. You have to stay through to the end of the video so that you can see how really graceful I am in real life.
I hit the border into Arizona. The air is so much warmer than you ever were. Woke up in a car in a pretty city. Just glad that you're not with me, 'cause you never were. And I said, hey, hello, nice to meet ya. He said, I don't think I've seen ya. I don't think I've seen ya before. In California, I don't even know ya. You never occur. In California, I don't even need ya. You were just a blur. In California. Hey, hello, nice to meet ya. Hey, hello, in California. Hey, hello, nice to meet ya. Hey, hello. And so I learned how to feel alive, driving down the 95 all before.
I need to move my t-shirt business equipment back into the closet. I keep taking it out and not putting it back. I need to tidy up some of the random things she's left around the room. And I need to go through and wash her bed linens. She loves a ton of blankets, so they always end up on her bed in this disheveled heap. So I really need to get in there, tidy it up, and make this room look less disheveled and more put together.
In California, I don't even need ya. You were just a blur. In California. Hey, hello, nice to meet ya. Hey, hello, in California. Hey, hello, nice to meet ya. Hey, hello.
The wall color is one that I just created in the store. I was looking for a specific blue, and we kept having them add different paints to it until I could get the color that I wanted. This color wasn't even an idea that my daughter had for her room. I actually used this color to paint the back of some bookshelves in our living room, and when my daughter fell in love with it, we decided, sure, let's just paint your whole room this color. Everybody kept saying, don't paint her room such a dark color. It's going to make her room look small. Well, guess what? Her room is small, and painting it a dark color isn't going to change the size of her room. And this color just fits her perfectly.
In California. In California. I hit the border into Arizona. The air is so much warmer than you ever were. Woke up in a car in a pretty city. Just glad that you're not with me, 'cause you never were. And I said, hey, hello, nice to meet ya. He said, I don't think I've seen ya. I don't think I've seen ya.
This has been my daughter's room since she was about 12, and she never wanted to give up her twin bed. She liked having the extra floor space. But now that she's in college and she spends more time at a desk than playing on the carpet, we've realized that maybe a bigger bed and less floor space is a better idea. So our plan is to get rid of this little bed set and update her room.
Nice to meet ya.
daughter and I were just talking the other day about how we probably need to go through all the books in our house and actually pick out the ones that we love, which is probably all of them, but I'm pretty sure that some of them are doing nothing more than collecting dust.
In California.
It's gotten dark outside. I better feed these dogs, and I need to get myself ready to go out to dinner with my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video. Thanks so much.
California.